I would like to welcome our guest speaker today, Padam Shri Arvind Gupta ji. So can I request Vice President Uday to do the introduction of Arvind ji, please?
Good evening, everyone. Service above self is the motto of Rotary, which we all know. Friends, today I am proud to introduce a true example of this philosophy. A Gandhian in outlook, socialist in belief, a UNESCO consultant, and always, just listen this, and always place more faith in small positive action than the rhetoric. Padma Shri Award winner, Shri Arvind Gupta. Mr. Gupta from IIT Kanpur, 1975 back, an engineer, Indian toy inventor, popularizer of science. He got the Civilian Award Padam Shri on the eve of Republic Day 2000, the year 2018, for literature and affordable education. Mr. Gupta took a year's study leave from Telco in 1978 to work with the grassroots village science teaching program for children in the tribal district of Hoshangabad, Madhya Pradesh, called Hoshangabad Science Teaching Program, an NGO called Eklavya. He was associated with them for many years. Thereafter, from 2003 until 2014, he was in charge of the Children's Science Center at Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, Pune. Mr. Gupta began his social service by teaching the children of the mess staff who had no opportunity for formal education. Mr. Gupta has conducted workshops in over 2,000 schools and has won many national and international awards. He has written, translated, scanned many books. In short, let me tell you, it is said a million book for a billion people. His popular TED Talk, Turning Trash into Toys for Learning, is amongst the top 10 globally. Mr. Gupta considered architect Laurie Baker, some of you may be knowing, a renowned British-born Indian architect known for his cost-effective design, as his mentor. He also draws inspiration from a number of people, but the main include is the Gautam Buddha and his mother. There are two things, Mr. Gupta, which I am sure that you will probably explain. He has said very good. The best thing child can do with the toys is to break it. I am sure that you will be able to explain to our audience today in better way. The second is the matchstick, which just weighs a 0.10 gram. It can really have a best flexible joint in. Now, before I finally welcome Mr. Gupta, I would like to say a beautiful quote from a young Oxfam poster, which is also quoted by him in one of his articles, which is, please listen to this, and someone where there are engineers helping others fly faster than sound, but where are the engineers helping those who must live on the... Welcome, Mr. Gupta. Rotary Club of Pune Central is proud to have you with us as our speaker and chief guest today. A big round of applause to Mr. Gupta.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mr. Yes, please.
Can you all hear me clearly, please? Can you all hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
Oh, thank you very much. I'll start. Well, thank you for the very generous introduction. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you all the Rotarians. Thanks Ajay Dubey, who got in touch with me. Well, I've been, while in IT Kanpur in the early 70s, I'm a product of the 70s, like most of you are. You are my age group. There was a lot of political ferment all over the world. And there was the Vietnam War going on. There was the students uprising in Paris, students coming on the road and challenging authority. There was the Jayaprakash Narayan movement. Whenever there is a political upheaval, a lot of social energies is released. A lot of sensitive people try to figure out what is their role in society, how can they contribute meaningfully. In IIT Kanpur, we had a Kendriya Vidyalaya, we had a campus school, very beautiful, but the children of the mess servants, the Malis, the gardeners, the guards, they could not get admission. So some kind of faculty had started a small school called as the Opportunity School. It was a type 2 quota, 60, 70 children. We had a small group, the name was Sahyog. And 6 of us used to bunker day all our classes and go and teach in the opportunities. So more than anything else, IIT gave me the opportunity to help poor children. And that's how I got introduced to education. I was a 17-year-old at that time. A couple of years back, IIT invited me for a guest lecture, and I visited the Opportunity School of what was once a type 2 quota, just two rooms. It has now got a special campus of its own. They've got the building of their own, and there were 300 students studying there. So I said something which we helped out 40 years back. A small sapling, a small plant has actually grown into a big tree. The other experience was that IIT offered great opportunities. In 1972, I was an 18-year-old student. I heard a remarkable person, his name was Anil Sadgopal. He did a PhD from Caltech, was a senior molecular biologist at the TIFR. He worked with Ubaid Siddiqui, one of the FRSS. Now he was doing some esoteric research, not being able to relate it to the life of the ordinary people. So in the early 70s, in the municipal schools of Mumbai, along with Professor Yashpal, a very Renaissance scientist in our country, they started doing low-cost science experiments for municipal school children, something which was very affordable to them. And this found a very good resonance. In 71, he left his job in the TIFR and went to a remote village in Madhya Pradesh, Hoshangabad district, a village called as Bankhedi. And he recounted his experience in IIT Kanpur. I was a backbencher listener. And unlike many people who claim to have done so much, he said, look, we've been working there for the last couple of years. When you're in a city, you have a very romantic image of a village. गांव का पनघट है, महिलाएं पानी भर रही हैं, ये सब बहुत खेत लहला रहे हैं. But once you go to a village, you encounter the reality. There is caste, there is class, there is gender. Life is very tough. We've been trying very hard, but not making much headway. Now that was, there is a person with a sterling background, a person with a PhD from Caltech, left his job in the TIFR, trying to do genuine work and still not being able to. So when I joined Telco in 1975, I joined Tata Motors. 2 years was a great training period. I think Tata Motors is one of the best places for, it's a engineer's dream place. If you're a tinkerer, for 2 years, you wear green overalls and you are a trainee. And you learn so much on the shop floor, things which you've never done in the IIT, you have a chance to. But after 2 years, they put me on a mass production line. It was a very boring job. And that's when I took a year's leave and I went to Kishore Bharati. This organization has started the science teaching experiment in 1972 in 16 schools in Madhya Pradesh. The government had given the permission, and I took a year's leave and I went there. And this is what I did. This is cycle valve tube. This is cycle valve tube. And this is, these are kind of joints which you can make with cycle valve tube. If you take 3 bits of cycle valve tube, 3 matchsticks, you join them together and make a triangle. And you can make a square, you can make a pentagon, you can make a hexagon, all these kinds of things. So these are very interesting things. If you just put this, these are flexible joints, if you just put this out, this is a rectangle. If you just give it a little, if you press it a little, it becomes a parallelogram. But it's like an amoeba. It's very flexible. It changes its outer shape all the time. If you look at the square, for instance, if you just push the square, it becomes a rhombus, it becomes a kite. But no matter what you do, if you take a triangle, no matter what you do, a triangle remains a triangle. Now, this is the great beauty of the triangle. So this is the first month I did something called as a matchstick mechanic, a lot of models with this. And that gave me a lot of pleasure. I thought this is, many children are going to use this. And here I was using my engineering knowledge to help children. And I thought it's much better than making products. This is the conclusion which I arrived at. And So for the rest of my life, I just kept playing, making things, and sharing them with children. I'm going to show you slowly Hoshangabad spread to 1,000 government schools in Madhya Pradesh. The most sustained science activities program post-independence in India. 100,000 children went through this. Very, very exciting. A homegrown program. Very, very nice. That excited me. The other mentor was Laurie Baker. I spent the next 6 months with Laurie Baker in Trivandrum. In IIT, I used to read about Laurie Baker, one of the only architects who would touch the lives of the poor. He had designed a fisherman's village in Trivandrum. He had made 2 houses in the bishop's quarters, which just cost 1,500 rupees in the early 70s. So I spent the next 4 months with Laurie Baker. Came back to Tata Motors, didn't last very much. And then I thought this science teaching had given me so much of pleasure. So I just kept continuing that. And I'm just going to show you a couple of models over here. I have a website, arvindguptatoys.com. Last 11 years, I was invited by Professor Jay Narlikar. He's a Padma Bhushan, Maharashtra Bhushan, not just that, he's won the Kalinga Award, which is the highest UNESCO award for science, popular science. So he invited me in 2003 to work in the Children's Science Center of Ayuka, which was donated by Pula Deshpande. And I was privileged to work there. We had a small team, just 3 people. And every single day we made a short video, 2-minute video. Today we have 8,700 videos in 20 languages on YouTube, a collective viewership of over 100 million. All this coming from a government institute, a room which is 400 square feet. So one could do good things with very simple materials as long as you had fire in your belly and you're very focused on doing what you want to do. We have all our videos are in Marathi, in Kannada, 11 Indian languages, 350 in Spanish. We found a partner who's in the Dominican Republic. She's an astrophysicist, and she does these videos. Now, here is a very, very simple motor. Here is a battery, a torch battery, a normal torch battery, which costs 25 rupees. These are 2 safety pins. You can see this black thing is actually old cycle tube, a small rubber band from a cycle tube. And this snugs, both these safety pins are snug to the plus and minus of the battery, 1.5 volts across this. And this is a very simple ring magnet. It's like a ferrite magnet. You could have a square magnet, a rectangular magnet, and it sticks because the battery has got a mild steel cladding. Now there is a small coil. I'm just going to put the coil inside this. And if I just give it a little twirl, it takes less than 10 minutes for a child to make a motor like that. And you see a gleam in a child's eye. All these Faraday's laws of induction, principles of electromagnetic induction, which a child has just parroted, has just soaked up, and he or she can regurgitate without any deep understanding. They all come to life. You can see a gleam in a child's eye when a child makes a motor like that. And it's not a rich man's game. In my city of Pune, 100,000 children, 1 lakh bachchon ne ye chota sa motor banaya. Agar motor na ho to chakka jam ho jaye. Modern life would come to a standstill. The fan is a motor, the cooler is a motor, the fridge is a motor, the washing machine is a motor, the mixie is a motor. We use the motor at a dozen places in our own house, but a child never makes a motor. This is the mutilation in science. Make it activity-based, make it with low-cost materials, recycle. Our website is toys from trash. You know, plastic bottles are a menace. The government also wants to get rid of. We did 100 experiments, 100 documented experiments on video, how to creatively use old plastic bottles. So even the poorest child has access to them. You can't say, I don't have money to do that. But this is what we do. I give another example, which is that of a Tetra Pak. Now, this Tetra Pak, there is a very nice purse. This is a 1 liter, fruit juice box or an oil can made of a Tetra Pak. And here you can see the 2 bottles over here, where there are 2 pockets where I can put some money. And there's some Velcro over here. You can put some money, put some coins, and put it in your pocket. Very nice. How do you make this? You just see. a small model. You cut off one of the flaps, push this in, hold it double, and you can see the two pockets over here. Now you just staple the two middle walls, are stapled together. And finally, you have a little flat button, you can put Velcro, and the child makes it very, very nice. We made 60 toys, 60 science models just using the Tetra Pak. The Tetra Pak is awful from the point of view of the environment, that there is a layer of aluminum, 3 layers of plastic, and card sheet all fused together. It's a multi-wall laminate. If you may drink fruity and just throw it away, it's going to be lying in a landfill for the next 500 years. But if you just pick it up and make a dozen toys out of it, very, very nice. It is. You could do a lot of things. There is another thing from the Tetra Pak. You can see here is a puzzle. It's called as the inside-outside cube. You can see here is a cube, which is all green, and I just flip it. Thrice, and here's a cube, which is all silver cube. Now, the Tetra Pak is an ideal material for making a toy like that because you can flex it a few hundred times. Not, if not dead, not break. This is the inside-outside cube. It's another very, very beautiful toy. Now, this has been around for 100 years. This has been a darling of physicists. Any inspired physics teacher in the last 100 years has showed this toy to the students. All you need is a pencil with the rubber on one end. If something goes wrong, you can rub it, which is very readily available. You make a few notches. You can see there are 5 or 6 V notches over here. This with a pen knife, 5 or 6 notches, deep notches. There's a card sheet over here, a fan, make a little big hole over here, and then push a pin inside the rubber. So this fan is slightly loose. This black rubber is to stop preventing it from flying off. I've got a matchstick over here. And now if I drop this, it's very amazing. This is there's 6 major research papers in this story. This is non-trivial physics. Right? That's why you'll not find the NCERT or the BSc course, because no one knows what the answer is. A child is in the same position as a scientist in CERN, because no one knows what the answer is. The child can play around with this. It's a survival toy. Our schools are boring, downright boring. You know, bright-eyed children come to school. You see the child before he comes, so she comes to school. They're tinkering, they're pottering, they're making. This is the definite. बचपन की यही परिभाषा है. बच्चे हमेशा ठोका पीटी करते रहते हैं, उनकी आंख में चमक होती है. और जैसे ही स्कूल जाते हैं, परिभाषा रटते हैं और जो पढ़ाया गया उसी शब्दों में थूकते हैं और विज्ञान पढ़ना बंद कर देते हैं. This is the extent of. But this is such. If you want to survive a school, learn to make a toy like that. अगर आप बोर हो रहे हो, ऊब रहे हो, कम से कम खिलौने से खेलिए. It costs no money, and of course, when the teacher is looking, you're always right. But this is a very, very amazing toy. This is designed by a mathematician at Harvard in 1928. This is something called as a flexible. और इसमें बड़ी खास बात है. आप इसको देखिए. There are 4 pictures over here. Right now, you see butterflies, frogs, snakes, eagles. Butterflies, frogs, snakes, eagles. There are 4 pictures which come in a sequence one after the other, and one can weave a story in them. The butterflies, insects are eaten by the frogs, frogs are eaten by the snakes, snakes are eaten by the eagles. It's like a little food chain. And science is full of cycles and chains and sequences. You could have life cycle of the butterfly, you can have life cycle of the seasons, etc. And if you just had an A4 size sheet like this is made from A4 sheet, printed on one side, white on the other, a scale and a pencil. No glue, no scissors. In 3 minutes, you can just fold. Very amazing one. And what you could do with this is just limited by your imagination. It's just amazing. 1928. Very, very. It's almost 100 years. But no school ever uses this. I'm going to show you another very nice experiment. Now, this is with a plastic straw. You take a straw. I just flatten one side and flatten this. थोड़ी चपटी हो जाती है, थोड़ी सॉफ्ट हो जाती है. उसके बाद में कैंची से लेकर के इसमें तीर जैसा, just like a point, like a pencil point. And if you look at it from the side, it looks like a baby crocodile's mouth. किसी मगरमच्छ का मुंह जैसे दिखता है. It's like a reed, R-E-D, reed. I'm going to put this reed in my mouth and blow my lungs out. The best way to disturb a class. It's very, very amazing. You don't know how the sound is produced because the part actually producing the sound was in my mouth. I'm going to keep this outside, and instead of blowing out air, I'm going to suck in air. Have a look at it. It's vibrating. Vibrations produce sound. Should children mug this up? They must experience this. They must experience the joy of producing sound. That's what they must do. Now we have taken this thing in. I just cut 2 holes in this. One hole. Two holes. Now this is, you can see these 2 holes over here. And this is, we are inching towards a flute. I close these holes. A couple of notes, थोड़ी बेसुरी है पर है बांसुरी. और एक बहुत ही मजेदार प्रयोग इसके साथ कर सकते हैं कि आप I'll keep blowing at it and I'll keep cutting. And something very, very amazing happens. We saw that the longer the straw, the lower the pitch. And the shorter the straw becomes, the higher becomes the pitch. आप सातों सुरों के दर्शन एक छोटी सी स्ट्रॉ के अंदर कर सकते हैं. हमने ये देखा सबसे छोटी स्ट्रॉ थी तो the pitch is very high. और बच्चे इससे बड़ी मजेदार आवाज निकाल सकते हैं. हम सब लोगों ने बचपने में इस तरह की आवाजें निकाली है. एक और बहुत छोटा सा खिलौना है, देखिए ये देखिए, इसका नाम है लेविटेटिंग पेंसिल. आजकल बहुत लेविटेटिंग ट्रेन की बात हो रही है. इसके अंदर कुछ चुंबक इस्तेमाल करते हैं, बहुत ही सरल से चुंबक. दिस इज द मैग्नेट ओवर हियर. फर्स्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट इट डज. ये वो है पेंसिल है और इसको and I can twirl this. It spins, it levitates, and it flies. And all you just need is 4 and 2 6 magnets. These magnets are 50 paisa. This is a piece of old rubber slipper. This is an old CD. And just a pen. It's about 10 rupees to make a world-class model. The government of India is spending 1 lakh crores on making a high-speed train line from Mumbai to Ahmedabad. So you get a glimpse in a model of a very, very popular model. Literally, tens of thousands of children made from other side. And it's a very simple toy. There is a book called The Joy of Making Indian Toys by Sudarshan Khanna. Sudarshan taught at the National School of Design for 35 years. And somewhere down the line, he got very fascinated with toys. And he made I translated this book for the National Book Trust. इसका हिंदी में नाम है सुंदर सलोने भारतीय खिलौने. नेशनल बुक ट्रस्ट ने छापी है. इसमें छोटा सा खिलौना है. ये एक झाड़ू की सींग. गरीब से गरीब घर के अंदर आपको झाड़ू की सींग जरूर मिलेगी. ये लंबी है, छोटी है, इनको कस के हम डोरे से बांध. उसके बाद में एक छोटी हवाई चप्पल का एक टुकड़ा है. थोड़ा सा भार चाहिए, थोड़ा वजन चाहिए, नीड सम वेट. अब दिस इज है. अब इसको मैं अपनी इंडेक्स फिंगर के ऊपर इस तरह से संतुलित करूंगा और इसको इस तरह. Centrifugal force, centripetal force, a big words will ensure. एक कान से सुनते हैं, दूसरे कान से कचरा पेटी में जाती है. किसी को कुछ पल्ले नहीं पड़ता. जो पढ़ाते भी हैं वो भी नहीं समझते. These are very abstract forces. But only if you play with some toys like this, you will get some kind of an inkling what these toys are. Now here is, we make 31 different kinds of pumps. You can throw water 15 feet, you can make a sprinkler. 30 अलग अलग तरह के पंप बनाते हैं. दुनिया में कोई इतने पंप नहीं बनाता. अब ये छोटा सा मैं आपको एक छोटा पंप दिखा रहा हूँ, जो बहुत 25 साल पहले बनाया था, जिससे आप गुब्बारे को फुला सकते. It's called as a balloon pump. क्योंकि गुब्बारा खुल जाता है, बिल्कुल ISO प्रमाणित पंप है, ISO सर्टिफाइड पंप, कोई लीकेज नहीं है इस पंप में। और सबसे अच्छी बात, we have a slogan that the best thing a child can do with a toy is to break. It's a highly provocative statement. तो बच्चे खिलौना क्यों तोड़ते हैं? क्योंकि वो जिज्ञासु हैं, वो बहुत क्यूरियस हैं, वो जानना चाहते हैं कि इसके पेट के अंदर क्या है। तो एक अच्छा खिलौना ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसके बच्चे अंजर पंजर अलग कर सके अपनी जिज्ञासा को, दे कैन सेशिएट द क्यूरियोसिटी। ये साइकिल की पुरानी ट्यूब है, और ये फिल्म रील की डब्बे हैं, आजकल ये नफेद हो गई, ये बहुत मुश्किल से मिलती हैं क्योंकि हर एक के पास में मोबाइल कैमरे हैं। पर इसके अंदर हमने इस तरह की एक छोटा सा वाल्व बनाया है। ये देखिए, एक वाल्व इसमें है और एक वाल्व इसमें है, 2 वाल्व बस। 10 मिनट में पंप बन जाता है। बच्चे कभी नहीं भूलेंगे कि कोई पंप कैसे काम करता है। इस तरह का एक वर्किंग मॉडल्स हमारे बच्चों को ये बेहद जरूरी है। छोटा सा सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स बहुत ही अमूर्त बल है। ये एक तरह का एक्रोबैट हमारा बहुत ट्रेडिशनल खिलौना है। अब जब मैं ये सब, इसके हाथ और बाजू ये सब हिंज्ड है, पूरा है, दोनों तरफ 2 धागे लगे। इसको मगर इस तरह से अगर मैं दोनों हाथ से इसको घुमाऊंगा, इट्स लाइक अ फ्लाइंग मैन। हमारे यहाँ ना केवल गरीबी, हमारे पास दृष्टि की गरीबी है। We lack vision. Vision for society, we are visionary as far as personal assets are concerned, but a vision for a better, more equitable, a more educated society. ये आप एक छोटा सा खिलौना, ये 7वीं फेल बच्चे ने इसका डिजाइन। थोड़ा सा तार लीजिए, एक पेंसिल पे गोल गोल करके छोटी सी स्प्रिंग बना ली, उसको खींच लीजिए तो स्पाइरल बन जाए। अब आगे हम लोग कागज के बिल्कुल जितने भी अखबार के कागज हैं, मैगजीन्स के कागज हैं, उनके चौकोर काट, सबसे सस्ता कागज अखबार का स्क्वायर। अब इसको अगर स्क्वायर को हमने मोड़ा, ट्राइंगल बन गया, बड़ा ट्राइंगल। इसको एक बार और मोड़ा, एक छोटा ट्राइंगल। अब ये ट्राइंगल में हमको वी जैसा दिखाई दिया, अक्षर वी फॉर बैग, वी फॉर बिग पिग। ये किसी जानवर के 2 कान जैसे। अब इसको लेकर के ये जस्ट गोइंग टू टेयर टू स्लाइटली राउंडेड एंड लॉन्ग ईयर्स, और इसको आगे मोड़ा, इसको पीछे मोड़ा। 10 सेकंड के अंदर खरगोश बन जाता है। खरगोश के 2 कान है, खरगोश का ये मुंह है, खरगोश के पैर हैं, पूंछ है उसकी। अगर आप पैर पकड़ करके पूंछ को पकड़ के आगे पीछे करेंगे, हर बच्चे के चेहरे पे आप मुस्कुराहट देख सकते। 10 मिनट। गरीब से गरीब स्कूल भी ये अफोर्डेबल है, आपको किट नहीं सप्लाई। एक किट की लॉबी है, ठेकेदार है वहां पर सप्लाई। पर कोई चीज हमारी वेबसाइट से 10 करोड़ बच्चे, 100 मिलियन व्यूअर्स ऑफ व्हिच इज कम फ्रॉम अस ऑल। हर रोज मेरी वेबसाइट से 10,000 किताबें। अभी लॉकडाउन है, कोविड के अंदर जो 25 करोड़ बच्चे अपने घरों में हिंदुस्तान में बैठे हुए हैं, the only thing they can access to every day, thousands of children go and access the books to my website and they see it. I think that is a society we must move towards. Make great resources, especially in the regional languages. अंग्रेजी में बहुत कुछ है, हमारी प्रांतीय भाषा मराठी में बहुत कम है। हिंदी दुनिया की सबसे तीसरी बोले जाने वाली भाषा, अंग्रेजी और चाइनीज के बाद हिंदी का नंबर है। बहुत कम साधन है तो नेट, तो हमको इसको बढ़ाना चाहिए। दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे रिसोर्सेज को translate them, make them accessible in Marathi, make them accessible in Hindi, so that our children who are spread out in vast villages can access them. I think my time is up now. Thank you very much for having me. If you have any questions, I'd be very happy to
answer. Arvindji, I have a question. The main thing today is that education is about giving a label कि this person has learned so much, etc., etc. And label देते वक्त सबसे आसान तरीका उनको मापने का होता है एग्जाम। तो और एग्जाम सबसे आसान तरीका होता है कि आपने क्या याद किया उसको आप वहां पर
रिप्रोड्यूस कर
बता दीजिए। तो ये हाउ कैन द माइंडसेट बी चेंज इन एजुकेशन, और हाउ कैन अ मॉडल बी मेड जिसमें ये नापा जाए कि ये आदमी कितना समझा है। बिकॉज वन ऑन वन तो वन कैन डू इंटरव्यू वाइवा, बट विथ हंड्रेड्स ऑफ थाउजेंड्स एंड मिलियंस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ये कैसे किया जा सकता है कि मतलब किसी को अगली क्लास में भी जाना है, आगे भी बढ़ना है, सबको दुनिया में कुछ ना कुछ आगे करना है, तो उसका मेजरमेंट के लिए क्या तरीका है कि खाली जो याद किया, रिमेम्बर किया, उसके अलावा पता किया जा सके?
देखिए, इसका बहुत खुशनबाद विज्ञान में ये सवाल जो आप उठा रहे हैं, ये बहुत 40 साल पहले हम लोगों ने अपने से खुद से सवाल पूछे, इन पर बहुत बहुत चिंतन मनन करा गया था। होशंगाबाद विज्ञान में 1 लाख बच्चे सरकारी स्कूलों के पढ़ रहे थे और सरकार ने हम लोग को इस बात की लीवे दी थी, इस बात की छूट दी थी कि आपने खुद एग्जाम। पहले सारे हमारे परीक्षाएं ओपन बुक एग्जाम, क्योंकि हम बच्चे की याददाश्त को, उसकी समझ को टेस्ट कर रहे थे, ना कि उसकी याददाश्त। तो वो जो चाहे किताब लेकर के आए क्लास में, there'll be a twist in the question, there'll be a small twist in the question, जहाँ पर उसकी याददाश्त काम मिलेगी, he applies mind to it, वो कर सकते हैं। पर यहाँ पर बहुत सारी लॉबीज काम कर रही हैं। अब आप देखिए, कोचिंग इंडस्ट्री इतनी बड़ी कि IITs को मात कर गई, कितने गुना है IIT, तो उनके बहुत वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट है टू परपेचुएट दिस सिस्टम। और सरकार को भी बहुत आसान लगता है कि किसी प्राइवेट संस्था को दे दो, इसका ठेका दे दो कि साहब आप एग्जाम कंडक्ट कर दिए। वो सरकार ने अपना हाथ धो लिया। और उसकी पहली बात यह है, जो मिडिल क्लास है, हम जैसे लोग जो है, जो उच्च मध्यम वर्ग है, उससे अपना पल्ला काट लिया सरकारी स्कूल। हम अपने बच्चों के लिए गेटेड स्कूल बनाते हैं, अपने बच्चों को IB स्कूलों में भेजते हैं, बहुत खुश हैं, तो हमें उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं। एक जस्टिस सुधीर अग्रवाल थे इलाहाबाद में, उन्होंने 5 साल पहले एक बहुत ही लैंडमार्क जजमेंट दिया कि देखिए, सरकारी अस्पतालों, सरकारी स्कूलों की इतनी खराब हालत, वी हैव बीन पेइंग लिप सर्विस टू देम फॉर द लास्ट 70 odd years, nothing is happening. Make one change. Every government employee, आप सरकार से तनख्वाह लेते हैं, सरकारी रिहाइश में रहते हैं, है? आपको अपने बच्चों को सरकारी स्कूल में भेजना पड़ेगा, और आप कभी बीमार हो तो सरकारी अस्पताल में जाइए। एकदम ये संस्थाएं बदलने लगेंगी, इनमें बहुत मूलभूत परिवर्तन आएगा। पर मध्यम वर्ग की कोई स्टेक नहीं, तो हमें खाक फर्क पड़ता है, हम अपने बच्चों को विलायत भेज देंगे, कहीं भेज देंगे, बच्चे साथ करें मत करें, क्या
Can I, Gupta sir, अभी जो आपने बोला, yes, it's absolutely right, that the education system has to completely get into an overall this one, right from the KG or right from the, अभी जो है नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी जो बनी है, इसके अंदर ऐसा लगता है कि काफी कुछ ये चीजें करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। आप किस हद तक इसको एग्री करते हैं, किस हद तक आप देखते हैं कि इसमें कुछ बदलाव आएगा?
मुझे नहीं लगता। देखिए, सरकार, मूल बात यह है, इस समय सरकार सरकारी स्कूलों को बंद कर रही है, बिल्कुल सरकारी स्कूलों को बंद कर रही है। ये बहुत वर्ल्ड बैंक के आदेश हैं, बहुत के आदेश हैं, और प्राइवेट स्कूल को वो कर रहे हैं। अब गरीब कहाँ जाएगा, गरीब का बच्चा। आपने पिछले 20 साल से सरकारी स्कूलों को, देखिए, आप कह रहे हैं 6% GDP आप स्कूलों में डालेंगे, पिछले 2 साल में शिक्षा पे जो खर्च हुआ है वो और कम हुआ है, 3% से भी कम हुआ है। तो ये सब these are lip services, but this government is not serious about it. There's so much of private. जो दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे मुल्क हैं, वो सबसे अच्छे स्कूल वहां पे सरकारी क्यों होते हैं? आप ये सवाल सरकार से पूछें, राइट? क्योंकि सरकार की मंशा सही है। अगर सरकार की मंशा के अंदर खोट हो तो इस शब्दों से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बड़ी लफाजें आई हैं, बहुत पॉलिसी आई हैं, पर उनकी मंशा ठीक नहीं।
क्या इसी के फॉलो ऑन क्वेश्चन, क्या यही रीजन है कि जो हम लोगों ने इतने साल पुराने ITI खोले थे, वो धीरे धीरे बंद होते गए और धीरे धीरे होते गए? इसी कारण ITI was open only with the purpose of having the trade kind of a thing where people can really learn something,
मैं बिल्कुल एक ITI जो गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक है उसके सामने रहता हूँ, मॉडल कॉलोनी के अंदर। 26 एकड़ प्राइम लैंड इन मॉडल कॉलोनी, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव एरियाज इन पुणे। सरकार उसको बेचना चाहती है और मेट्रो फंड करना चाहती है। अब ये बहुत वाजिब, उनसे कहा गया है, देव गॉट अ नोटिस, ITI ऑन में जाकर के मर जाओ, वहां मर्ज हो जाओ, वहां पर भी बहुत जगह है। ये मंशा बहुत साफ।
But ये कैसा है? But yes, sorry, please go ahead. So how do we really change? At some point of time, this needs to be changed. How do we change the mindset of the people?
हम अपने बहुत से लोगों को कोशिश करिए, हम भी छोटी कोशिश करते हैं रोज, तो अच्छी चीजें आप डाल। हमें सरकार नहीं चाहिए, सरकार की जरूरत नहीं है। जो चाहे वहाँ गरीब से गरीब जाकर के अगर 10,000 लोग 10,000 किताबें रोज डाउनलोड करते हैं तो कोई ना कोई तो साधक है, कोई तो पढ़ने को इच्छुक है। You bypass the government and try and do whatever you can. You put videos, you put good things for people they can access. That's it.
It's correct. Correct. I think, what is why एक चीज और just pushed up could be, you met, probably the होशंगाबाद का जो so called NGO एकलव्य later on बंद कर दिया था गवर्नमेंट ने क्या रीजन था सब इसको बंद करने
का? उस समय जो है एक DPEP कार्यक्रम आ रहा था, आगे आज से 12-15 साल पहले, डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्राइमरी एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम, वर्ल्ड बैंक फंडेड, अक्रॉस द पॉलिटिकल स्पेक्ट्रम। हर एक राजनीतिक के मुंह में पानी आ रहा था, लार टपक रही थी डॉलर देखकर। The only program which could offer them a resistance was this homegrown, जिसकी मैंने आपको झलकी दिखाई। उस समय मध्य प्रदेश के चीफ मिनिस्टर थे दिग्विजय सिंह। हम बीजेपी के लिए कुछ नहीं कहेंगे, दिस इज अ कांग्रेस सेल्फ गोल। उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट कहा कि देखिए, शिक्षा स्टेट सब्जेक्ट है, वी आर इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स ऑफ द पीपल, आपका कार्यक्रम बहुत अच्छा होगा, दुनिया में सबसे अच्छा होगा, अपने स्कूल खोलिए, हमको छोड़िए, हम अपने स्कूल जैसे मर्जी चाहे चलाएंगे, चाहे DPP लगाए, कुछ करें। दिस इज वेरी ऑड।
अरविंद जी, श्रीकांत बोल रहा हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत अच्छा लगा सेशन, इट इज encouraging. My daughter could not join, but I learned some tricks, so I'm going to ask them to show off my knowledge now. One question, what you suggest to the parents over here, and some of them are grandparents also, to drive that change at home? Because school-wise, it may take a longer, it may take one lifetime. I'm not going for that, but what we can do to drive that change at home?
मेरे ख्याल से आई हैव गॉट 2 ग्रैंडचिल्ड्रन। मेरे साथ 2 छोटे बच्चे हैं, 3 बरस का है, एक 3 महीने की बच्ची है। तो स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, उनके साथ बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज की है। उनको नेट पे जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज कीजिए, तो बच्चों को लगता है कि हाँ, हमारे माँ बाप भी इसको अहम समझते हैं। दे थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस। रीड बुक्स टू देम, राइट, टेक देम आउट टू wherever you can today, nearby places because of the lockdown. But spend a lot, invest in your children. किसी स्कूल का कोई स्टेप नहीं है आपकी औलाद की। अगर आपने अपनी औलाद को पैदा किया है तो learn to bring your child up. आप पैसे किसके लिए कमा रहे हैं? अपनी औलाद के लिए कमा रहे हैं, उसको पैसे की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, उसको जरूरत है आपके समय की। Invest time with your child. That's the only message I
think, Gupta, can I tell you that I wish I should have born today,
Thank you, sir.
I think, it's a beautiful this one. And when you said one thing is I still want you to little bit elaborate. When you say that the breaking of the toys or child, they can only break the child, which is best. Can you elaborate this? This is very interesting. Why does this happen?
बच्चे खिलौना क्यों तोड़ते हैं? क्योंकि वो बहुत जिज्ञासु हैं। They are very curious. They want to know कि भैया ये पंप जो है, ये गुब्बारे को कैसे फुलाता है। तो a good toy design is that बच्चे उसको खोल के देख सकते हैं, अंजर पंजर अलग कर सकते हैं, and put it back again. आज वो तोड़ेंगे तभी वो कल जोड़ना सीखेंगे। तो it's just curiosity. Be curiosity. वो बच्चों के अंदर की चंचलता है। एक बहुत ही सुंदर खिलौना मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ, मैंने नहीं दिखाया। हम लोग पिछले 40 खिलौने हमने पुरानी चप्पल से बनाए। ये मरिया मोंटेसरी का आप सबने नाम सुना होगा कि मरिया मोंटेसरी की गुटके खांची की पहिलियां होती हैं। ये हवाई चप्पल है, 5 मिनट लगते हैं इस चप्पल को काटने में। अब ये देखिए, ये ट्रायंगल जो है, अब कोई भी नेत्रहीन बच्चा, अंध बच्चा, हमारे देश के अंदर 12 मिलियन, 1.25 करोड़ अंध बच्चे, वो अंध बच्चा इसको छू करके देख सकता है, स्पर्श करके देख सकता है कि भैया तिकोना है, ये ट्रायंगल है। 40 पहेलियां हम इस तरह की बनाई केवल पुरानी चप्पलों से, जो हर एक को उपलब्ध। तो we need good people to go into education. The sad thing is that it's the fifth, eighth, 10th choice of a bright person to go into education. No one wants to become a teacher. Bright people want to go to the IITs, want to go to the IIMs. They want MNC jobs. They want to go abroad. No one wants to. और इस देश के अंदर शिक्षक की हम लोग बहुत प्राचीन काल में कहते हैं गुरु बहुत बड़ी बातें करते हैं, पर आज शिक्षक की औकात क्या है, इसकी पॉलिटिकल औकात क्या है। आप चाहे गाय गोरू का सर्वे कराना हो तो उसको टीचर को फिट कर देते हैं, कोविड का सर्वे कराना हो उसको टीचर को फिट कर देते हैं, हर काम के लिए टीचर को फिट करते हैं। इलेक्शन कराने हो तो उसके सर्वे के लिए टीचर को फिट करते हैं। पढ़ाई तो एक दोयम रह गई, उसके साथ में भी वो थोड़ा पढ़ा लेता है, ये बात अलग है, पर टीचर की औकात बहुत कम है। उसके हाथ में जो राजनीतिक बदल करने की क्षमता है बहुत कम है।
Arvind ji, you mentioned of your website. Can you just rename it?
Yes, it's Arvind Gupta Toys. Arvind Gupta is my name. Toys.com.
One word. Arvind Gupta Toys is one word.
हाँ, and you will not miss our toys. We have a large presence on the
Okay.
If you just Google Arvind Gupta, you will find.
And what is this short documentary we have written on YouTube channel so and so so and so?
हमारी बहुत सारे लोगों ने डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाया है हमारे सेंटर के ऊपर, हमारे ऊपर बहुत सारी.
This website will give us the idea of what you showed just now.
Yes. There are
my grandchildren are just now here.
Absolutely, sir. There are 8,700 videos, 1,100 videos in English, Hindi, Marathi, in तीनों भाषाओं.
Thank you. We will have a closer look at it.
Sure.
Thank
you. Do you still believe when you said that where are the engineers helping those who must live on the ground? Do you still believe that exists?
मैं 1980 की बात है. मैं एक छोटे से एक ग्रुप था IITs का, उसका नाम था विदूषक कारखाना, headed by a legendary Dunu Roy. Dunu Roy Distinguished Alumnus Award है IIT बॉम्बे के. IIT बॉम्बे से BTech करा, MTech करा. He mentored 3 generations of IITians. So we used to run a small commune called as विदूषक कारखाना. तो मैं 1980 में जब वहां पर गया तो वहां पर एक पोस्टर लगा था. ये यंग ऑक्सफैम का पोस्टर है और उसमें यह था कॉनकॉर्ड हवाई जहाज सुपरसोनिक ऊपर उड़ रहा है और नीचे फटी जमीन है, मतलब जमीन जो है सूखे से एकदम फट गई है और उसमें ये स्लोगन लगाता है, somewhere there are engineers helping others fly faster than sound. Where are the engineers helping those who must live on the ground? I think which is very, very true. Engineers must solve ground problems. We don't have too many such engineers.
How did you think of making a car with a sunroof? Today, sunroof is an in thing. Everybody wants a sunroof. How did you think for a child to know? Today, every child looks at a car and says, "Papa, I want a car with a sunroof." How did you get that idea? No, this is what I am saying that which is becoming a true, nowadays.
बहुत सारी चीजें देखिए, बहुत सारे ideas बच्चों के साथ आते हैं. Children are very original thinkers. For years, I've just worked with children. और बच्चों को कोई नकाब नहीं होता. They don't look at your background. They don't look at the IIT degree. खराब ऐसे जैसे it's shit on your face. They are the best critiques, and you should have the patience to listen to them. And many of the most wonderful ideas I've learned from children. उनको थोड़ा परिमार्जित करा, थोड़ा रिफाइन करा, ये बात अलग है. But the basic ideas have come from children. Very amazing. Not amazing. हम उनसे हमेशा कहते हैं कि तुम जो हमने रटवाया है उसी शब्दों में तुम थूक दो. हमने उनको बस यही सिखाया. और अगर आप उनसे कभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग पूछो तो उनको कम अप विद द मोस्ट ओरिजिनल सॉल्यूशन. हमें दम नहीं है उन बात को सुनने का.
Yeah, correct. You're right. Yes, I think great.
Any more questions?
Only an observation. आज IIT वालों का अच्छा नाम हो गया RCB में.
You said one more thing that you inspired by Gautam Buddha and also your mother. Can you just tell what about Gautam Buddha and what's from your
Gautam Buddha? I think he was Gautam Buddha ने एक साइंस की परिभाषा दी, a definition of science 2,500 years back. उन्होंने कहा था, don't believe anything just because your teacher tells you. Don't believe in something because it's written in your religious book. आपके धर्म ग्रंथों में लिखा है इसलिए उस पर विश्वास मत कीजिए. किसी बात पे इसलिए यकीन मत कीजिए क्योंकि आपका टीचर उस बात को कहता है या आपकी किताबों में लिखा है. हर चीज को वास्तविकता पे जांचिए, परखिए. और अगर आपको वो सही नजर आए, सत्य नजर आए और जनहित में हो, तब उसका आलिंगन। मेरे ख्याल से गजब की परिभाषा है साइंस, जो 2500 साल बाद भी। और जहां तक मेरी माँ की बात है, मेरे माता पिता कभी स्कूल नहीं गए, कभी स्कूल नहीं गए। उस जमाने के अंदर लड़कियों को स्कूल नहीं भेजती थी, तो मेरी माँ स्कूल नहीं गई, पर बड़ी लर्न सो मच फ्रॉम द स्ट्रगल्स ऑफ लाइफ। शी गेव मी, हम लोग 4 भाई बहन थे और छोटा सा शहर था बरेली। शी पुट अस टू द बेस्ट स्कूल, sold her jewelry and sent us, gave fees for the best school, St. Maria Goretti Convent School. I did my senior Cambridge from there. When I left my job in 1980, my uncles were very high. One was the Director General of Ordnance Factory. The first male gynecologist in North India. Agra Medical College ka, the gynecology ward is named after my mom, Professor Naval Kishore. They were all cribbing why has he left his job. मेरी माँ ने एक वाक्य कहा, अच्छा है तुमने नौकरी छोड़ी, अब कुछ नेक काम करो. That has saved me for 30 years. You know, such faith, such trust. That's it.
Yeah, I think Dr. Gupta, thank you. It's very inspiring. As I once again said, had I born today, probably we would have gotten inspiration from the people like you. Yes, Ajay,
So if there are no questions, I would just I would really, I was really spellbound by the simplicity of the toys, the experiments, and how इतने कठिन फिजिक्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो हम लोग इतनी मतलब किताबें पढ़ के और टीचर्स और ट्यूटर्स के साथ सीखते हैं, वो कितनी आसानी से छोटे छोटे एक्सपेरिमेंट टॉयज बना के सीखे जा सकते हैं. I was really spellbound looking at it, and I mean I could keep looking at more and more toys. So probably अब YouTube पे जाके देखूंगा. दूसरी चीज मतलब आपने हम लोगों को बताया कि how what is the real meaning of education, how learning by doing simple things and then discovering yourself how something works is the true learning rather than just rote remembering, which is the norm these days. So, and how such complex concepts. So I would really like to thank you for coming and enlightening us. It was really, really inspiring, and it has got me thinking how much money we spend on educating children and getting them tutors and etc., when they can really learn from such simple experiments and toys. So thank you once again for coming and speaking to us.
Thanks all of you. Yeah, thanks all of all the Rotarians. Thank you very much for joining.
And as a mark of respect, can we just give you a small
thank you.
Physically होते तो हम आपको physically देते, but
that's very nice. Thank you.
Thank you again, Arvind ji. That was really, really fascinating. Okay. The meeting is adjourned.
Thank you for such a lovely meeting.
Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Uday. Great meeting.